Here's how to make money on Fortnite in 2022, and it's a lot easier than you think. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So unless you've been living under a rock lately or something, I mean, you most probably very likely have heard of Fortnite, right? The immensely popular online multiplayer game that has grown so much in popularity over the last few years, and even today it's still growing massively. There's so many people playing not just this game but other types of games as well. And when you look at Fortnite, how much it's grown, and how, you know, everywhere you go, even on YouTube, you keep seeing videos related to this game, you realize how great, how huge the opportunity can be with this particular game. And when you think about it, it's really not that surprising. I mean, the gaming industry has grown so much as well. I mean, obviously it's along with it, and just last year alone it exceeded over $300 billion in revenue. And if you look at some of the other stats out there, you will see that in 2020 in the US, the video game industry grew by 27% to almost $57 billion, which is more than the movie and the music industry combined. I mean, think about that for a minute, how huge the gaming industry has become. And when there's so much money flowing in that industry, obviously there's going to be a lot of money making opportunities as well. That's why you see a lot of people making like full-time living just playing games and just, you know, enjoying themselves and not doing anything else. So let's explore some of the ways that you could as well make money with video games, and more precisely with Fortnite. So there's really three ways you could go about making money with Fortnite, and the number one way is to simply play the video game itself and then uploading your game playing videos to a platform like YouTube. I mean, YouTube gets a ton of traffic, and if you upload the right video with the right titles, you can get so much views and make a lot of money. Now, I know some of you will say, well, you know, this is extremely saturated. So many people have done that already, and it's really hard to really create a successful YouTube gaming channel. Or maybe you might think that you've tried it already and you've not had any success with it. The first part is that you need to make your videos with catchy titles. We know, with titles that will that are going to be intriguing and will invoke curiosity. That's how people will click on your video and finally watch your video. You need to understand that, you know, when you start a YouTube channel, or when you already have a YouTube channel, you know, most of your views are not necessarily going to come from your subscribers. Actually, the majority of your views will come from people that are maybe discovering your channel for the first time. So if you make videos about your game, and basically you title your videos, you know, episode 1 and I did this, like, most people are not going to be really interested to click on your video because they don't know you, they don't really care what you've done. But if you title your videos the right way, where it really invokes curiosity and it makes people want to click on them, then you get a much bigger chance of really blowing up. So for example, if you check this particular gaming channel here, Home of Games, they got over 4 million subscribers, and the way they title their videos is how you want to do it as well. So for example, 10 Fortnite Chapter 3 Myth Busted. You know, when you see that, you're like wondering, what are the myths that he's talking about? You know, 11 secrets everyone missed in Tilted Towers. You know, 7 Fortnite Chapter 3 myth that 100% works. You know, secret mini event in Fortnite update. So he basically titled his videos in such a way that even people who does not know who he is, when they see those videos and they are a Fortnite fan, they're very likely going to click on those videos and watch his videos. So that's how you want to title your videos to really, you know, grow on YouTube, okay? And then the second part is you want to make videos that, you know, people are going to search for on YouTube. You want to create videos for the people, okay? Don't create videos that you think is going to do well necessarily. You know, people go on YouTube and type things, you know, they're actively looking for you know, content to watch, and you want to create videos that they are looking for. For example, if I use one of my keyword research tools, which is a feature of the vidIQ Chrome extension, you will see that when I type in Fortnite, there are over 23 million people searching for Fortnite videos on YouTube. So this is a huge amount of traffic that if you can get just a small slice of that, you could really blow up on YouTube. So if you look at some of the other keywords that people are searching for, there's a ton of them. So if we rank this by, let's say, if we rank this by competition, so in addition to the keyword Fortnite that has 23 million searches, you see that there's a ton of other searches out there. So if we rank the competition by, let's say, very low, you will see that those are the keywords that people are typing in that does not have a ton of competition that you can create videos around. For example, Fortnite new myth weapon, high win Fortnite how to unlock all the foundation rewards, 2,000 searches and very low competition. So you can create videos around those keywords and you get ranked very easily. Fortnite, except I only use one combo weapon. Chapter 3 story, the foundation challenge guide. So those are the type of keywords that you want to create your videos about. So in addition to create videos that have catchy titles that are going to get views, you also want to create videos that where you're targeting those types of low competition long tail keywords, because that's how you will eventually get seen and your channel will grow as quickly as possible. And once you start generating a ton of views on your YouTube channel, eventually you can start monetizing it through the YouTube AdSense program, where you get paid per 1,000 views. Now it is true that the gaming niche does have a low CPM. CPM stands for cost per mil, which is the amount of money that advertisers will pay per 1,000 views. And basically it's true that the gaming niche, usually you won't earn like a huge CPM or RPM, but the gaming niche is a niche where you can generate so many views if you are able to grow your YouTube channel the right way, just as I explained it to you. And if you can get so many views, even with a low CPM or RPM of just $1 per 1,000 views, you can make like hundreds of dollars per day, right? For example, like if we check this channel we just looked at, he gets like a few 100,000 views per day. So he's making, even at the RPM of just $1 per day, he's $1 per 1,000 views, he's still making like a few $100 per day with this channel. Once you've built a huge following on YouTube with your YouTube gaming channel, now the second way you could make money with Fortnite is simply joining the Twitch affiliate program. So Twitch has an affiliate program where you would get paid every time you refer somebody to the platform. So let's say you've built a huge following on YouTube, there are people who are going to want to watch more of your content. So in addition to watching your videos on YouTube, they also want to watch you play the game live. And you can refer those new users to Twitch, and every time they sign up, you would get commission for various things that they might do inside of the platform. So if you look at a Twitch affiliate page here, you'll see that there are certain things that you would need to do in order to join the affiliate program. But once you have, you could earn revenue, from subscribers, from ads, and from bits. So really, this is a second way you can really start making money with Fortnite. And then finally, the third way of making money with Fortnite is once you build a following, you could basically sell merch. Okay, selling merch is something that has been around for a really long time. A lot of influencers sell merch online. As you can see, this is the merch website for Ninja. This is the kind of merch that he sells. So this is something that you can do as well once you've built a following on YouTube and you are gaining a lot of views consistently. So there you go, guys. This was a short introduction, maybe not that short, but a video on how you could make money with video games, especially with Fortnite. Everything I said can be applied for any other video games as well. Maybe there's one video game right now that's blowing up, that's gaining a lot of traction, that is new. So if you can jump on that and become like the channel to go to for that video game, you could make a ton of money using everything I talked about in this video. There you go, guys. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.